Welcome to the early birds classes B school ready. In this fun matrix section we are going to learn basic concepts of probability. So what is probability? Probability is a chance of happening your favorable event. Right. So we have to know what is the chance of my event to happen. Suppose you have a coin and in coin what we have? Head and tail. Heads and tails. So there are two events. If you toss a coin, either you will get head or tail. So if you want to know what is the chance of getting this head, so if it is coin is fair, then either head or tail should appear equally. So what is the chance? Chance is 50%, or what we say it is 1 by 2. So what is 1 here? Your number of favorable event. And what is 2? Number of total events. Now similarly, this is our dice. This is supposed to be fair, right? So suppose we want to know what is the probability of getting 6. So what will be the possibilities? So in dice what we get? We can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And this is our favorable event. Only one. Out of what? 6 events, no? So this is our probability. This is as simple as that. Now take some examples. We are going to throw a dice and we want to know what is the probability of getting even number. We want to know the chance of getting even number, right? So what are the outputs? We can get these 6, and out of these 6, what are our favorable events? Either getting 2, getting 4 or getting 6. So here number of favorable events are what? 3, no? 3 out of 6. So probability of getting even number will be what? 1 by 2, 50%. Same problem can be seen different way. When we throw a dice, what we get? We get either even number or odd number. So here total number of event is what? Is 2, and out of that we want to know what is the chance of getting even number. So probability of getting even number will be 1 by 2, and in fact probability of getting odd number will be the same, 50%. Now take another example. With same dice we want to know what is the probability of getting number less than 3. So 6 is the total number of events what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we have to get the probability of numbers less than 3. So what are the favorable case events? Getting 1 and getting 2. So 2. These are the only two possibilities. So total number of favorable event is 2. So probability of getting less than 3 will be what? 1 by 3, around 33.3, 33%. In next video we will be discussing probability of getting 2 or more mutually independent events. So see you in the next video.